Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Baird, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Baird, start by setting clear financial goals. Determine what expenses are essential versus discretionary. Gather all financial statements, including bank accounts and bills. Create a list of monthly income sources. Next, use Baird's budgeting tool to input your income and expenses. Categorize your spending, such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Review previous month's spending to identify patterns or areas for improvement. Adjust your budget based on your findings and future needs. Set limits for each spending category to ensure you stay on track. Regularly monitor your budget within the Baird platform. Make use of alerts and reminders for upcoming bills and spending limits. At the end of each month, evaluate your spending against your budget. Identify any discrepancies and make necessary adjustments for the next month. Stay flexible and be prepared to revise your budget as your financial situation changes. Consider using Baird's additional resources for financial planning and investment options. Maintain a habit of checking in on your budget regularly for long-term financial health. With consistent effort, you'll gain better control over your financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.